Hello everyone, grab the top section of the hair from the middle and tie with the rubber band. Then grab the sides of the hair right near it and tie with the rubber band over the first tail we have. Then have the first tail a grab created by using your finger. Drop the second tail into it and make it come down. So do the thing totally 5 times and then we are done. And to decorate it even more further, choose lovely hair clutcher out of your collection. Catch the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and split the tail into 2 with the bottom one being thicker, and have a rubber band touch the top one and braid it from that point and scrunch it to the top, making a lump and split them into 2 vertically, making loops. Then with the braid we have, drop it into the center and make it come down in the middle of it. Then grab it with the braid we have, drop it into the center and then split them into 2 parts and have it braid across each other 5 or 6 times, and grab a little section of the hair from the tail we have and have it go in between the braid gap. Do this for 3 or 4 times, and after that do the same braiding on the right side as well. Then have a beautiful hairpin on top of it, decorate even further. Grab the left section of the hair and have a rubber band touch top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right tail as well. Then combine both the tails together with the rubber band and scrunch it from the middle, making it as a lump and secure with the rubber band. Then split the lump into 2 and have it pressed against your head, making a lovely loop, and have it in place by dropping a very long hairpin underneath that. And after that, with the remaining tail we have, split them into 2 parts with the bottom one being thicker, and have the top one into a thicker braid and have it as a loopy braid and roll it against the left side and coil it to the top and have it in the center of the loopy created and decorate with a lovely hairpin in the middle. Then split the remaining tail into 3 parts and have it braided with strips of hair going between the braids gap, borrowed from either side of the back section of the hair. You know how to braid it. Keep crossing the tails until the left one goes to the right, and once when you do one cycle, have a little strip of the hair going between the braids gap. This is how you should braid it. Do until the bottom and have it and secure the rubber band. Leave a few strands of hair on either side of the head and make it curly, and grab the sides of the hair from the top section and make it into a braid and create a loop in the middle of the left braid and drop the right braid into it and make it cross each other. Then grab a section of the hair from the front section and have it go in between the braids gap using a head loop. Do the same for the right side until the bottom. Then after that, with the tails we borrowed, have it braided. It's very simple. First cross the first 2 one and do it alternatively by crossing them against each other on left and right. So this is how you should braid it in a thicker manner and using a net form. So do the braiding for all the tails. Then after that, bring the tails out of the braid using the same hair loop we have. So have it go out, then have it combine at the bottom with the rubber band. So this is a very simple one, you can do it. Then after that, decorate with your lovely hair clutcher on top of the rubber band we have to enhance the design. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and create a gap using your finger. Drop the tail into it, make it go from bottom to top and have it come down. Then have a tail, a rubber band attached to the top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then scrunch it to the top, making a bow tie design and secure with a little rubber band around it. Then with the remaining tail we have, split them into 2 and have it go to the top and have it combine over the lump we have with the rubber band. Then stuff it inside the top part by using a hairpin. Then grab the middle section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and have it go to the top, making a loose design and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Then grab the sides of the hair right near it and tie with the rubber and drop it inside and decorate your hairstyle with a lovely hair clutcher in the middle. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have it into a thicker braid and have a very long hairpin on top of the braid we have. Then roll the braid on the left side of the hairpin and have it come down and do the same on the right side, making an infinity band and hide the tip underneath the braid we have with the hairpin. Then grab the side of the hair from the bottom section, tie with the rubber band and make it go underneath the braid we have and have it secure with a little hairpin. Do the same for another strip of the hair as well. Then with the remaining tail we have in the middle, split them into 2 parts and have it braided and make it go in the middle of the braided band and split them into 2 and have it come down and have it combine with the rubber band. And grab the side of the hair from the bottom section, tie with the rubber and drop it inside. Then have a very beautiful hair clutcher on top of it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.